Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss Model Question Paper 2 of Class 10 for the year 25-26. And not only the model question paper, but we are going to share and discuss model answers for this question paper. Yes, this is going to help you a lot in preparing your exams, and it will help you to prepare well in your exams with getting clear idea of what kind of answers to be written. So yes, this is Model Question Paper 2 and its answers will be shared and discussed over here. So we have all the three sections: physics, chemistry, and biology. So let's start without any other further ado. So part A, physics, you have first multiple choice questions. You can see the question as well as the answer given over here. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Option A, ampere. Observe the figure given below. The magnetic field at the center C of circular coil is. Answer is option A, 0. Then answer the following questions. Which mirror is used as rear view mirror? Okay, you can just pause the video or take the screenshot for the answers. Next, list any two suggestions to avoid the overload in domestic electric circuit. So these are some of the questions which are repeated in most of the model question papers. You can mark it as important questions. Watch all the 4 model question papers and answers so that you get an idea what are the most important questions, because generally these repeated questions are asked in the final in your board exam as well. Okay, so next question is draw a simple electric circuit, label ammeter and voltmeter. So the answer is given here, the diagram, and the points allocation marks allocation is also given over here in the right side, so that you get clear idea how many steps, how many points will give you how much marks. So moving to next question. Question 6. An electric motor receives 10 A electric current and 220 V electric source. Find the power of motor. So answer is given here. Next, draw the diagram. Look at the question, observe it, and look at the answer as well, so that you get proper idea of how to write without any error and score well. Next, we have answered the following questions. Question 8, which has 2 sub-questions, question A and B. State 2 laws of reflection of light. What is the magnification of mirror? What does the negative sign indicate in the magnification value? So answer A and B both are given over here. Then you have an optional question against this. Explain the activity which shows the refraction of light through glass slab. So the answer is given in points here, and each point carries half mark. It's mentioned here. So whichever is easy, you can opt it and go for it. Next question 9, again sub question A and B given here. What is the nearsightedness? What is power of accommodation of eye? How does the eye accommodate to distant objects? So answer A and answer B. Then optional question against this again. Star appear to twinkle, but the planets do not twinkle. Why? So points are given here. You can go through it. You can just pause the video and see as many times you want or till you understand it. Okay. Question 10 again has 3 sub questions, A, B, and C. What is solenoid? State Fleming's left hand rule. Then what is the potential difference between live wire and neutral wire in domestic electric circuit in our country? So answer A, answer B, and answer C is given here. Okay, next moving to next main and 11th question, which again has A and B questions. State Joule's law of heating and name 4 appliances which work on the heating effect of electricity. Then question B, give reason. The tungsten is used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamps, and copper and aluminum wires are usually employed for electricity transmission. So answer for A, answer for B1 and B2 is given here. Then one optional question given against this is state Ohm's law, list the factors on which the resistance of conductor depends. Then question B, the potential difference between 2 points is 1 V, 1 watt. Mention the meaning of the statement. So answer A and answer B given over here, and the marks allotted over here. Okay, next 12th question. Question A and B are under 12. An object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. If the distance of image is to be 60 centimeter, then at what distance the object is to be placed from the lens? Question B, the object distance and image distance of a lens are 30 centimeter, minus 30 centimeter and minus 10 centimeter respectively. Decide the type of lens and nature of image. So you can see the solution over here for the question A, sub question A, with the points allotted, marks allotted here, and answer B. So here with this 12 question and answers, we come to end of this section of physics. Now we will be going to the chemistry section. So let's see there. So part B, chemistry, again multiple choice question. The functional group present in pineal is option B, CHO. Okay. Next, silver chloride turns gray when exposed to sunlight. This is because silver chloride decompose to form silver. To make iron to be hard and strong, carbon is added to pure iron. So these are the answers. And now we have question answers. You can see 1 mark questions are here, 3 questions, 16, 17, and 18. And observe it, read it, and then try to practice it. If it's an repeated question, then it is very important for you all. And then next is question 19, 20, 20 question 20th has optional question also. You can have a look. Answer is given over here. For this, the answer is given over here. Question 21. Explain the cleansing action of soap on dirt. This is a repeated question, an important one. You can take it as 100% for your board exam. And one optional question for it is here. Okay. You can pause the video and or take a screenshot and look and observe the question answers. Next, we have balance the following equation. So these are the questions, these are answer for it, or these 3 questions and these 3 answers for it. Next question, 23rd, it has 3 sub questions and the answers are given over here. And then you have draw the diagram. Answer is here. Again, for diagram, 2 marks. For labeling, you have half of mark each. Next, we have 10th main, question 25th, which has 3 sub-questions. And answer A, answer B, and answer C for it is given over here. So now with this, we are completing our chemistry section. Now let us move and see to our part C, that is our biology. So this is our part C, biology. Now question 26, observe the figure below. Okay, the characteristics and function of structure X and respectively are. Answer is option B. For the 27th one, answer is option C. For question 28th, okay, so for here, the correct statement about gen among the following is or are. You don't have to opt from here, you have to opt from here. Okay, so here it's option B, 1 and 2 only. So 1 and 2 only are correct. So you have to see this as an options and you have to select from here. Then question 29, 30, 31. The main purpose is to share the answers with you all so that you get an idea how to answer your papers with proper marks allocation so that you don't miss your marks anywhere. Okay, then question 33 and then 34 where you have to draw the structure of human brain and label its parts. Question 35. You have optional question here for 35th question. And then question 36, which has 3 sub-questions, A, B, and C. Then answers for it, A, B, C. Then question 37, question A and sub-question B. Answer for sub-question A and sub-question B is given over here. And you have an optional question against it. Again, question A, question B. Answer for it, A and B. Okay, difference between xylem and phloem. Okay. Then next we have 38th question, A, B, and C. Answer is given here, A, B, and C. Okay, and then optional question against it is again given over here. So these are the answer for it, all the 3 sub answers. So with this, we come to an end with the biology section. And with this, we have completed our entire science paper. I have shared all the answers of all the 3 sections so that it helps you all to prepare in your exam. I hope that you all prepare well for the exam, taking the help of this video and this model answers. And do hit the like button if you like the video. And if it has helped you, do comment in the comment section that yes, it has helped you, and how much percentage would you give out of 100 that it has helped you to or prepare in your exam. And if you want such many other such videos of any other subject, you can drop a comment in the comment box. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box, where I keep sharing important tips and tricks for every subject and the videos as well. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon. Till then, you stay safe and take care. Thank you.